KX, we're going to have a little fun with our friend Rat's name. So once again, to make the word rat, we need the red robot sound and the Annie Apple sound and the talking test sound. And together it says at. Now, if I take away the beginning consonant, you're left with what, Escher?
Rat.
No.
At.
At. And if you can read at, well, guess what? This ending, actually we call this an onset rhyme, but that's a teacher thing. You can read a word like what?
Sat.
Sat. And at appears in this word too, which is flat. Adding an S on the end, we have rats. Check this one out. Matter. Here we have our friend at ting, patting. At turn. Notice they're doubling these consonants. There's actually a rule for that. And it has to do with the fact that the A, the vowel preceding the T's or come before the T's, are making a short A sound like Annie Apple and not a long A sound like Mr. A. So there are rules in English. Here's another one. Can you see this one is a bit big? Scattering. You know, I've just made me think for the Aztec people of Mexico, they loved poetry so much, and the word they used to describe poetry was a scattering of jewels. Like when you recited poetry, the words were like a scattering of jewels, and I always thought that was such a beautiful way to describe poetry. Here we go again. Battery. And if I took away the Y, we're gonna eat pancakes today, KX. First we have to make that's right, batter. Here's another one. Spl. These three consonants, attering. So again, if you can focus on what the vowel is doing in so many words, you're gonna be able to read so many words. Here's another one. Something might happen to your confidence. A window, maybe. Shattered. And there is your at. Something you shouldn't be doing in class with your friends when the teacher's talking, right? Atting. So here we have ch. It's called a digraph. Two letters that make a sound. Ch. Atting. I-N-G. Oh, looky here, right? Atter reminds me of this word that we looked at earlier. Matter. Here's another one. You know this friend. Meow. Cat. And then catcher. So as I tell Escher, when you see a word that's a little longer, look for what you know. Same thing in math, right? We talked about this with our math when we worked with numbers and trying to solve number problems. I always tell you, remember what you know. What do you know? And so even if you pretend you didn't know the rest of these letters for a moment, but you know at, so put together your at and find no, we're doing something different. At is matches. We always had to find the matches when we had to celebrate a birthday in KX to light the birthday treat. And something you might get in your hair. Here's our at. Static.
Life.
All right. Hope that was fun.